change the colors on my templates, all you need to do is go to the particular layer that you want to change the color on and go to the color and choose the color that you want. If you want it to be like a burgundy color, you just really need to know what the hex code is for that particular burgundy. So let's just say it's this color burgundy, and then you're going to just choose that color. And now that you have that color, you can go to your layers and you're going to see that color show up for other options. So go to that particular item and then you will go to click color, and now that burgundy shows up. So all you have to do is go to each item that is in the template and change the color of it. So now just go back to the blue and click on it. Do the same thing, go to each of those items that you want to change the color on and just simply click it, change the color. And we have one more of those paintbrush stripes, and then we want to just change the color on that one. And that's how you change those colors. Now if you want to change the colors of your AI model, you will go to adjust and you scroll over until you get to the color edit. And now you will go to the blue because that's the color of her dress. And you just want to change it by sliding it over just like that. And that's how you can easily change the colors on any of the templates that you purchase from my Etsy shop. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.